And nature doesn't make such objects. So I suggested maybe it's technological.
Let's just do a small recap about Oumuamua, the strange object that changed its course and accelerated without a warning, non-gravitational acceleration, and also, oh, it changed its orbit. Nothing normal about this object.
So the analysis of the brightness variations imply that it's most likely flat, like a pancake. And in addition, it showed non-gravitational acceleration. As you mentioned, something was pushing it away from the sun without any indication for the rocket effect that usually results from the evaporation of gas in comets. So I suggested that it may be that the sunlight that is pushing it, and for that the object had to be relatively thin. And then we learned, I hope that we learned the lesson, because as of now we have 3i Atlas, an object discovered on July 1st, 2025, this year, and it's the third one, and this object was extremely bright. So it's a big object, 1,000,000 times more massive than Oumuamua. And so the first question that arises is, why is this object 1,000,000 times more massive? And unfortunately, that data was never released. And I tried to approach the principal investigator of that camera, the high-rise camera, and I didn't get a reply. And a few days ago, Congresswoman Anna Paulina Luna submitted a letter to the head of NASA, the acting administrator, Sean Duffy, asking NASA to release those images. We haven't heard back. However, if the propulsion was not a result of cometary evaporation, then we won't see this very big cloud, massive cloud of gas. And in that case, we should then consider alternatives and technology. But you must consider it seriously, because if it is, then the implications for humanity are huge. But you can't do that when there are implications to society.
Yeah, and if it sounds like a thing, it looks like a thing, it acts like a thing, well, maybe that's a logical explanation, is artificial purpose engine.